My fall FabFitFun box arrived, so we're gonna unbox it. You guys, I have a Timbaland scarf now, and this thing is like $60, and it came in my FabFitFun box. How amazing is that? This is stunning, stunning, stunning. I was so stoked about this. Woo! And I don't know if you know this, but you can customize your box how you want to. And I also had to pick up these really cute salt and pepper shakers. I saw these, I thought they were so cute, so I was like, oh my gosh, have to have them. Super cute. I also picked out these super cute sweater socks. I wish you guys could just feel how soft they are, and they're like super long. I cannot wait to wear these. How cute are these earrings? I think they're so pretty, so dainty. Love them. Oh my god, when I saw this bag, you guys, when I saw this bag, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this. Oh, it is so stunning. And it's a very and this is literally the cutest waist pocket fanny pack. This is gonna be perfect whenever I don't feel like holding anything. I just put it around my waist, because you know sometimes I don't feel like carrying a bag. So this is perfect. And even my husband can use this for the gym too if he wants, but super cute. Last but not least are these Ricola throat balms. Very interesting, supposed to soothe and protect everyday throat irritation, and it's caramel flavored. Yum yum.